In the rehearsal room for Sounds of Laurel Canyon, we caught up with band member Larry Grano.
It's got to be some mamas and papas. The harmonies, the really rich harmonies, and it's just great pop. It's well-crafted pop, and it's well executed. And to be able to pull that off with the people that we have involved is really great. It's really a treat to be able to call myself a singer.
Sounds of Laurel Canyon, a Back to the Garden story concert streaming live from the Belly Up, Friday, November 27th at 7 p.m. Pacific. Tickets $12. Use the link to get yours now.